Honeybees are fascinating creatures. They are not just simple insects buzzing around, they are part of a highly organized and efficient society. They live in complex societies called colonies, where each bee has a specific role to play. From the queen to the worker bees, everyone has a job that contributes to the survival of the colony. These colonies can number in the tens of thousands. Imagine a small city bustling with activity where every individual knows exactly what to do. To survive, bees need to communicate effectively. They have developed a sophisticated system to share information, which is crucial for their survival. Imagine a city with thousands of inhabitants, all working together seamlessly. That's a beehive. It's a marvel of nature, where cooperation and communication are key. It's a bustling hub of activity, with bees constantly coming and going, each on a mission. But how do they manage to stay organized? But how do they do it? How do they ensure that every bee knows what to do and when to do it? Bees have a secret language. It's not spoken, but rather performed through intricate dances and movements. It's a combination of dances, smells, sounds, and even touches. Each method of communication serves a specific purpose and conveys different types of information. This intricate communication system is vital for their survival. Without it, they wouldn't be able to find food, protect the hive, or care for the queen. It allows them to share information about food sources, dangers, and even the health of their queen. This constant exchange of information keeps the hive functioning smoothly. Without it, the hive would descend into chaos. The queen, who is the heart of the hive, relies on this communication to maintain order and productivity. Every bee has a role to play, and communication ensures the smooth running of the colony. From foraging for food to defending the hive, each task is coordinated through their unique language. For example, when a bee finds a new source of nectar, it performs a waggle dance to inform others of its location. This dance conveys precise information about the distance and direction of the food source. Similarly, when there is a threat to the hive, bees use pheromones to alert others and coordinate a defense. This rapid communication can mean the difference between life and death for the colony. Inside the hive, communication is just as important. Worker bees use touch and smell to care for the larvae and the queen, ensuring that the next generation of bees is healthy and strong. They also communicate to build and maintain the hive structure, which is essential for protecting the colony and storing food. In essence, the hive operates like a well-oiled machine, with each bee playing its part and communication being the key to their success. It's a testament to the power of teamwork and the importance of effective communication in any society. One of the most remarkable aspects of honeybee communication is the waggle dance. This intricate and fascinating behavior is a form of symbolic language that allows bees to convey complex information about the world outside the hive. This dance is a way for scout bees to tell their sisters about the location of food sources. When a scout bee discovers a rich source of nectar or pollen, she returns to the hive to share the good news. Imagine a bee returning to the hive after finding a field full of delicious flowers. She is eager to communicate the exact location of this treasure trove to her fellow bees. Excited, she performs a waggle dance. This dance is not just a random movement, it is a precise and purposeful act that conveys specific information. The dance consists of a figure-8 pattern combined with a waggling motion. The bee moves in a straight line while waggling her body, then circles back to repeat the motion. The angle of the waggle run, relative to the sun's position, indicates the direction of the food source. For example, if the bee waggles straight up, it means the food is in the direction of the sun. The duration of the waggle tells the other bees how far away it is. A short waggle indicates a nearby source, while a longer waggle suggests a more distant location. A longer waggle means the food is farther away. This precise measurement allows the other bees to gauge the distance they need to travel. The more vigorous the dance, the better the quality of the food. A bee that has found a particularly rich source of nectar will dance with more enthusiasm, signaling to her sisters that this is a valuable find. It's like a bee's version of saying, "Follow me, girls, there's a feast this way." The other bees watch the dance closely, taking note of the direction, distance, and quality of the food source. As the scout bee dances, her sisters gather around, paying paying close attention to every detail. They use their antennae to sense the vibrations and movements, decoding the message being conveyed. Once the message is understood, the forager bees prepare to leave the hive. They are now equipped with the information they need to find the food source. They take off in the direction indicated by the waggle dance, flying with purpose and determination. The hive's collective effort ensures that they can efficiently gather the resources needed for their survival. Upon arriving at the flower field, the bees begin to collect nectar and pollen, working together to maximize their harvest. The success of their foraging is a testament to the effectiveness of the waggle dance. They return to the hive laden with their bounty, ready to share the fruits of their labor. The waggle dance has once again proven to be an invaluable tool in the bees' quest for sustenance. This remarkable form of communication highlights the intelligence and social complexity of honeybees. Through the waggle dance, they demonstrate a level of cooperation and coordination that is truly extraordinary. The hive operates as a well-oiled machine, with each bee playing a crucial role in the colony's success. The waggle dance is just one example of the many ways in which bees work together to thrive. In the grand scheme of nature, the waggle dance is a small but vital part of the intricate web of life. It is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the incredible adaptability of these tiny creatures. So, the next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember the sophisticated communication and teamwork that goes on behind the scenes. The waggle dance is a beautiful reminder of the complexity and harmony of the natural world. When the food source is closer to the hive, the scout bee performs a simpler dance called the round dance. This dance doesn't convey direction, but instead tells the other bees that there's good food nearby. It's a quick and efficient way to communicate the presence of resources within a short distance. Imagine a bee finding a patch of flowers right next to the hive. It wouldn't need to explain the direction, just that there's food to be had. The round dance acts as a simple signal, encouraging the other bees to go out and search in the immediate vicinity. Smell plays a crucial role in honeybee communication. Bees release chemicals called pheromones to communicate a variety of messages. Queen pheromones, for example, are essential for maintaining order within the hive. They prevent worker bees from laying eggs and attract drones during mating flights. Alarm pheromones are released when a bee stings, alerting the colony to potential danger. These pheromones smell like bananas to humans. Nasonov pheromone, released from a gland near the bee's abdomen, helps bees orient themselves to the hive entrance and to flowers. Brood pheromones emitted by larvae signal their needs to the worker bees. Bees also communicate through a variety of sounds. Piping, a high-pitched sound made by virgin queens, signals their presence and readiness to mate. Worker bees use a variety of buzzes and hums to communicate with each other. For instance, they make a specific sound during the tremble dance to regulate nectar foraging. These acoustic signals, while often subtle, play a crucial role in coordinating activities within the hive. They allow bees to signal danger, recruit help, and even indicate the quality of food sources. Trophallaxis is the transfer of food or other fluids between bees. This fascinating behavior is a cornerstone of social interaction within the hive. This behavior is not just about sharing nourishment. It plays a crucial role in the survival and efficiency of the colony. It's also a way for bees to exchange information. Through trophallaxis, bees can communicate complex messages about their environment. For example, when a scout bee returns to the hive after finding a new food source, it will share some of the nectar with other bees. This act is not merely about feeding. This exchange allows the other bees to taste the nectar and learn about its quality. The taste and scent of the nectar provide vital clues about the food source. It also helps spread the scent of the food source throughout the hive, making it easier for other bees to find. This scent trail acts like a map, guiding bees to the new food source. Trophallaxis strengthens social bonds within the colony. The act of sharing food and information fosters a sense of unity and cooperation, and ensures that everyone is informed. This constant exchange keeps the hive functioning smoothly, with each bee aware of its role and the resources available. Beyond food and information, Trophallaxis also plays a role in the distribution of pheromones. These chemical signals are crucial for maintaining the social structure of the hive. Pheromones help regulate activities such as foraging, defense, and even the development of young bees. Through trophallaxis, bees can ensure that these pheromones are evenly distributed, maintaining harmony and order within the colony. This behavior is a testament to the complex and highly organized nature of bee societies. Each act of trophallaxis is a small but vital part of the intricate web of interactions that keep the hive thriving. In essence, trophallaxis is more than just a feeding mechanism. It is a sophisticated form of communication and social interaction that is essential for the survival and success of the hive. By understanding trophallaxis, we gain insight into the remarkable ways bees work together, ensuring the health and prosperity of their colony. Trophallaxis is a beautiful example of nature's ingenuity, showcasing the incredible cooperation and communication that define bee societies. While we often think of bees as relying heavily on smell and dance, visual cues are equally important. Bees have excellent vision and they use it to navigate, identify flowers, and recognize individual hive mates. The position of the sun acts as a compass, helping bees find their way back to the hive even after long foraging trips. They can even remember landmarks and use them to navigate their surroundings. Inside the hive, visual cues help bees recognize different castes of bees and maintain order. The intricate communication system of honeybees is essential for their survival and the success of their colonies. By understanding how bees communicate, we gain a deeper appreciation for these fascinating creatures. More importantly, this knowledge is crucial beekeepers and also for protecting bees. As pollinators, bees play a vital role in our ecosystems and food production. By learning their secret language, we can better understand their needs and ensure their continued well-being. The fate of the bees is intertwined with our own, and it's up to us to listen to their buzz and protect these vital creatures.